How to recover your deleted or disabled Instagram account. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step process on how you can recover a disabled Instagram account. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notifications so you keep getting updated. Now, first thing you have to do is open your web browser, and then you have to search for something like this: accessing and downloading Instagram information. And if you search for it, you want to tap on the very first link that says accessing and downloading your Instagram information. And now you have to choose what best describes your issue, and among these four issues you have to choose the first one. And here you have to choose another option. So you just want to choose I have an Instagram account but can't access my data. And all you have to do now is enter your full name that is associated with your Instagram account, the disabled account, and your disabled account's username, your country of residence, and the email address that you have access to this instant. And once you enter all of these details, you just tap on I agree and send these information. And then you will get an OTP from the Facebook's help and support team. You just copy that OTP and paste it on the page right here, and you will get an automated Instagram email. You just have to reply to the email that you want to recover your account and it was disabled by accident. And if you do that within a day or two, Instagram will reach out back to you and help you to recover your account. And that's how you recover your disabled account on Instagram. Thank you for watching.